Hey guys, welcome to Sahla's Kitchen. This show is all about cooking, baking, and trying out new recipes. Today, we're making the ultimate soft and chewy chocolate chip cookies. Let's get baking. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I use convection bake since this setting uniformly distributes the hot air and allows the cookies to bake evenly from all sides. Okay, so to start making the dough, we'll need 1 stick of softened butter. Either leave the butter out of the fridge for 1 to 2 hours or put it in the microwave for 30 seconds or less. You want it to look like this. If it gets too melted, you can let it sit out for 20 to 30 minutes until it becomes less melted. But melted butter will not get you soft and chewy cookies. Next, we're going to add in a half a cup of firmly packed dark brown sugar. Next, pour in a 1/4 cup of granulated or white sugar. We're going to beat the mixture for at least 2 minutes at a medium to low speed. Some people prefer to beat this with a spoon, but an electric mixer definitely has a lot more power than my arms. Also, using an electric mixer will allow air into this mixture and create a good structure for the cookies. You want the mixture to become light and fluffy like this. Next, we'll start adding in the liquid ingredients. We'll start with 1 egg, and we'll give it a quick beat until the egg is fully incorporated. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, same thing again, we'll give it another quick beat until the vanilla is well mixed in. Finally, we'll mix in the dry ingredients, 1 1/6 cup flour, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Again, using our mixer, we'll beat in the dry ingredients. At this point, don't overbeat the cookie dough. Overmixing will lead to flat and crunchy cookies, which is not what I like. So beat the dough only until you have a uniform mixture. Your end result should look something like this. Lastly, we'll add the best part, 6 ounces of chocolate chips or chocolate chunks. Be sure to use semi-sweet chips so the cookies aren't oversweetened. You also want the chip size to be normal. The mini chips just don't create that same gooey ooze upon baking. We're going to give it a very quick mix. And then we'll switch over to a wooden spoon so we don't overmix and ruin the cookie dough. The final cookie dough should look like this. It should not be too dense or too liquidy. It shouldn't stick to the sides of the bowl, and it should be easy to mold with your hands. At this point, if it looks like you need more chocolate chips, go for it. Don't be stingy with the chocolate. Feel free to add more if you just can't seem to get enough. Here, I've lined a baking sheet with aluminum foil. I like to shape each individual cookie. So take a big spoonful of dough and shape it into a nice circle, about 1.5 inch in diameter. Make sure to leave about 1 to 2 inches space between the cookies. The cookies won't spread out too much, but we don't want them to merge as they bake. By now, the oven should be preheated. Carefully place the baking sheet into the oven. We're going to bake it for 8 minutes. And just watch them as they bake. Quick pro tip, you want them to be slightly underbaked so they retain a chewy and soft texture. You'll know when the cookies are done, as the top should be this beautiful golden brown. Inside, the cookies are gooey and chocolatey with slightly crunchier edges, just how I like them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll be trying this recipe soon. Make sure to comment on how your chocolate chip cookies turned out, and let me know what other recipes you want me to make and share with you all in the future. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified of all my up and coming new recipes. Thanks!